Number 20, which of the following is a true statement about the mean absolute deviation of a set of data? So there's a lot of words on this. We're wanting to identify the definition of MAD. So on your recording sheet here, I want you to write down MAD, and I want you to write the steps. Mean, and then the second step is subtract. And then the last step is to find the mean. So we want to know which definition is lending itself to this process of finding the mean, subtracting, and then finding the mean again. A says it describes the variation of the data values around the median. So median is referring to the middle of the set of data. Well, nothing that we have done with MAD has anything to do with the middle of the data. We found the average of the data, but we have not found median at all in this. So that does not work. B, it describes the absolute value of the mean. So this one's interesting because it has some words I recognize. Absolute value, the word absolute is in our definition, or sorry, in the name of what we're talking about. And then mean, we definitely have that word in there too. And we've talked a lot about finding the mean, and we have to find the mean twice in it. But what it's saying is the absolute value of the mean would mean we just find the mean and then we make it positive. That would only be step one. That doesn't include step 2 or 3. So that can't be the definition. C, it describes the average distance between each data value and the mean. So this is involving finding the mean and then finding the average, which is just another word for mean, distance between each data value and the mean. So we found the mean, and then the average, the mean distance from the mean, which is when we subtracted, we were finding the distance each data value was from the mean. So this is a roundabout way of explaining exactly what we're doing. D says it describes the variation of the data values around the mode. Mode is the piece of data we see most often. So if 5 was a really common number in our data, that would be the mode. And this finding MAD has nothing to do with the mode. So our answer was C.